what inspired you to start Bodhi, right? What were the challenges that you initially set out to address? And how have those challenges and objectives shifted as you've gone through?
This was probably 6 years ago or so when I put solar on my house here in Austin. And actually, that was the very first time I got to like experience energy as a consumer, other than having to open up a electricity bill and pay that utility bill. And what was really surprising is that when I was thinking about solar, getting solar, I had these high expectations. Solar is the state of the art technology. It's all the consumers are buying into the energy transformation. And what was really surprising was that I had these high expectations, and then I get met with effectively what is a home energy or home services type of experience. And for anyone who's done home renovation or had to get a plumber, you know what that type of experience is. And so that mismatch in expectations doesn't just provide anxiety for the customer, the consumer, but then all that anxiety ends up just leading to just huge headaches for the solar company itself.